Guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Seed and I'm so excited to have you on here. All right, guys, I'm gonna be seeing a video today. Okay, this is Dutch national anthem and this is going to be my absolute first time reaction to their anthem. All right, I'm really curious and excited for this because I would love to hear how it sounds and also see the kind of lyrics they have. Okay, if you're curious and excited to listen to this with me, please subscribe. If you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share, subscribe, and also share your thoughts in the comment section. All right, so guys, let's get right into this. Okay, this is with the English subtitle, official vocal instruments. Okay, this is the official national anthem, I guess. Wow, this is really wonderful. Okay, I have to give it all the respect that it deserves, and that is why I didn't make any pauses in between the national anthem. Okay, because it deserves more respect. All right. I saw that they mentioned Spain, that they are loyal to King of Spain. Okay, I think that for them to mention Spain, I think that they have a very close or friendly relationship. I had no idea about that. Okay, and also they mentioned God in their national anthem. It actually makes it more beautiful to listen to. All right, this is really wonderful and it has a very lovely lyrics. Okay, not so harsh and bloody like other national anthems. Okay, it's indeed wonderful and a great lesson for me. All right, let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.